Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about N3rd Finance. If you guys don't know much about N3rd Finance, that's perfectly okay because it is an up-and-coming project with big things planned. We have the idea of, some of these big projects that they've worked under. Quam Network obviously doing a 27x. So big projects, obviously a 77x for Polka and Sure. We have the Interop with a 14x. Egoras is coming. Just massive potential behind the N3rdstarter Launchpad. They talk about some of these upcoming IDOs. Like I said, Egoras. If we take a look at Egoras, you can see more about what is really taking place with Egoras. So a DeFi platform for uncollateralized microcredit. So a very big opportunity here. You stake your token, approve loans, claim interest weekly, and repeat. So it's a very easy project to understand exactly what they're trying to accomplish. Like I said, it's a very cool launchpad, premium multi-chain launchpad, and it helps IDO projects raise liquidity across the best blockchain ecosystem. So this includes obviously Quam Network, Polka and Sure, Interop, and now obviously Egoras is going to be the next on the list. So you can actually submit a project very easily. You could also go to the Launchpad, and then they talk about their roadmap at the bottom. So let's start with Q2, obviously 2021. They have a work in progress with a lot of these, including new partnerships, landing pages, the N3rdstarter Launchpad V2 going live. They have an audit coming up on, I guess this is actually, I'm reading it from the opposite side. Let's go back over to the top. So we have completed Q4 2020. We had the audit's already completed. That's when I knew I was wrong because I knew the audit was already complete and looked perfect. So Q1 2021 already complete as well. We are now on Q2 2021. So that's when we're going to get the landing page V2 going live. We're going to get new partnerships and obviously more than that to be determined or to be obtained. I think we're going to see a lot coming with this multi-chain launchpad being one of those things that a lot of people are loving right now is getting into those projects before they're publicly out. So IDOs or ICOs, whatever you guys would like to really understand them as. These are very big opportunities for people to jump in at very cheap rates. And N3rd Finance is definitely taking advantage of that. So if you check out N3rd Finance, I have the links all in the description of this video. So definitely take a look at them. And I'll give you guys the links to their Twitter and Telegram as well, so you can follow them on Twitter and Telegram. Let's actually do that quickly. I don't think I haven't followed some reason on Twitter yet, so let's do that. It's definitely something, like I said, worth investing or not investing in, worth looking into. Like I said, Egoras whitelisting live now, May 10th. So we have a great opportunity for Egoras to get this at this IDO price point. It's just going to be a big thing to really take advantage of. I think if you guys understand IDOs, or if you guys have used IDOs in the past, it's just one-click, easy DeFi protocol, premium multi-chain launchpad featuring deflationary farming and staking as well. So, it's a very big deal. Obviously, you can trade N3rds with Uniswap. You can go to CoinGecko, Dex Tools, CMC. So the fact that it's on CoinGecko already is very cool. It's $209 right now, an 18% decrease recently. So you're finding a great price point to jump in. Obviously, this happens a lot when when the market dips. You're going to see some dips in these smaller coins as well. But the rank 1470 right now, so the market cap is still fairly low, almost lower than a $3.5 million market cap. So you're getting in very early if you're looking to invest in N3rd Finance altogether. But like I said, the actual website itself has a lot of utility behind it. There's so much you can actually do on it. You can go to the Launchpad. Like I said, it'll bring you to the projects, and you can apply now to launch your project, as well as obviously look at the up and coming projects. So there's a lot to really take a look at, and I definitely suggest taking a little look yourself, look around. I like I said, I'll have the links in the description below, so you can definitely take advantage of that. But without further ado, let's jump into the FAQ because this answers a lot of questions that a lot of people have. So is this a core clone? No, it's not a clone. It's a highly modified fork. We took the original core code and forked it into our liking. Same with the token economics. We are laying down a safe and strong foundation that we can build on top. However, we have some key differences and we move very fast. So believe there will be a lot of farmers who prefer N3rds. So obviously a lot of people talking about, kind of the similarities between core and N3rds. Obviously, N3rds is definitely, in my opinion, looking very solid. If we go to the about as well, you can learn more about what N3rd Finance is. It's about the team as well and about their vision. But I don't know if it's going to load right now. It looks like it's slowly loading here. We can go to the Launchpad while we wait. So you can actually see a lot of information here on the Launchpad. Obviously nothing quite yet, but you can go to the upcoming. This is going to be their big launch coming. So we have Egoras date May 20th, 2021. You're going to have your chance at getting in at a very early rate. And this is how a lot of people, like I said, I've said this in previous videos, this is how a lot of people make very quick money. They get in at these IDOs with projects that they believe in, and they get these very, very cheap prices, and then they're first come, first serve side of this kind of deal. I guess the big thing is if you go find a project in CoinGecko, it's been out there for forever, so you're not getting that insanely cheap price deal. Here, you're going to have that opportunity to buy at a very, very good rate. It doesn't look like the About page is going to load right now, but that's perfectly fine. Like I said, guys, this is one of those projects that has a lot of potential. The current price point on Nerd Finance is actually fairly low compared to what we had. We had it at 320. We had it at 387 over there. So we are going to continue to see, I think, Nerd Finance really stabilize and find a spot where it's actually valued at. It started at, I believe, started below $200, so we're still above the initial start at 209.17. I do think, like I said, this is a great opportunity for a lot of people to understand how IDOs really work and what Nerd Finance is all trying to capable of doing. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. Make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I'll see you guys all in the next video.